Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to destination for honest and detailed reviews on the latest products. Today, we are diving into the Bioguard Arctic Blue Winter Kit, widely regarded as the best winterizing solution for your pool. If you live in an area with cold winters, you know how important it is to properly winterize your pool to avoid costly repairs and ensure an easy opening in the spring. This kit is designed to protect your pool from algae growth, staining, and other seasonal threats while reducing the work needed for your next pool season. The Bioguard Arctic Blue Winter Kit is an off-season essential, and it includes everything you need for effective winterization. Inside the kit, you'll find Arctic Blue Algae Protector, a pint-sized algae preventative that keeps your pool algae-free for months. There's also Arctic Blue Shock, a powerful oxidizer that clarifies your pool water, ensuring it stays clean and clear throughout the winter. And to make things even easier, the kit comes with a comprehensive winterization guide, offering step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. What sets this product apart is its compatibility with most common sanitizing systems, meaning it works seamlessly with chlorine-based pools. Whether you have a concrete, fiberglass, or vinyl-lined pool, the Arctic Blue Winter Kit is designed to offer maximum protection across all pool types. The best part is that there's no need for mixing or pre-dissolving. Just add it directly to your pool and let it do its magic. Bioguard's reputation for delivering reliable results makes this kit a trusted choice for pool owners. Not only does it provide effective algae prevention, but it also helps with water clarity, making sure your pool remains in top shape until spring. This product is perfect for anyone looking to reduce the stress of opening their pool next season, providing a hassle-free and cost-effective winterizing experience. If you want to protect your pool and make your spring opening smoother, the Bioguard Arctic Blue Winter Kit is the best choice out there. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews.